Today I wanted to share a mantra meditation with you. Mantra meditations are really helpful because they help us to focus our mind. And often it's coordinated with breath, so we can move in this flow of breath and thought and awareness and dive deeper into the essence of who we are, which is this pool of unconditional love, this field that interconnects us all. And I wanted to share a mantra meditation based on Teacher Ram Dass, who always encouraged to love everything. And the mantra is simply, I am loving awareness. I am loving awareness. So let yourself come into a comfortable seated or lying down position. Just notice how your shoulders are relaxing down the back. The belly is soft, and begin to tune to your breath. Begin to feel the ease and the fullness of the inhale and the exhale, the belly, the ribs, expanding on the inhale and settling back or in on the exhales. And the mantra meditation is very simple. With the inhaling breath, repeat silently, I am. And on the exhale or out breath, repeat within yourself, loving awareness. Inhaling, I am. Exhaling, loving awareness. Use this mantra to help you focus your attention on your breath and cultivate this state of presence with this loving field of awareness. It tunes us to this frequency or vibration of love, this unconditionally loving field that is our true nature, and connects us with ourselves, each other, and all life on this beautiful earth. Allow your breath to be even, full, and deep. Inhaling, I am. Exhaling, loving awareness. Keep returning your focus to the breath and to the mantra. I am loving awareness. I am. loving awareness. And if you wish, you can pause and continue to enjoy the meditation for a longer period. I am loving awareness. This is a beautiful mantra to repeat at the start of your day, in a morning meditation, or in the evening before bedtime. It's always beautiful to come home and remind ourselves of who we truly are and embody this spirit and energy of unconditional love and loving awareness with ourselves and with the world around us. May you enjoy sharing these good vibes today, from the light in me to the light in you. Namaste.